This is this is Elijah being a dog. He's been sitting here talking, looking out the window for the last 10 minutes.
Are you okay, baby? He slammed my arm really